Hi everyone, it's Galen. Today I am showing 2 cards featuring 4 products using All Club's crate items. I'm using 4 of the items in this video and showing you how to assemble and make the cards with the items in the kit. I'm showing the Better Press of the Month from May. It's called Up and Away and it has balloons, and I'm also showing the clear stamp and die of the month, and also some bonus items. One is an embossing folder and the other one is some Patriotic dies. And so I'm going to show you my take on these cards and walk you through how I did it. So the first thing I wanted to do is do the hot foiling. So I did hot foiling with silver hot foil. I believe it's matte silver hot foil using the Glimmer system. And it is all ready to go. The Glimmer hot foil system is a platform that works along with combining it with the die cutting machine to press that foil right into the cardstock. I chose a darker cardstock to really show off that foil. I also pre-die cut some icons that came with the bonuses, and I adhered those all together to get ready to add to the card. I also stamped and die cut the sentiments to get them ready to go as well. I wanted to focus on more of these techniques just to give you show you how to do it. Now I also die cut, and I hot foiled the sentiments that came in the same Press Plus foil plate, but I'm going to use those on a different project. I just wanted to show you you can mix and match projects with these pieces in the set. So now I die cut a layered heart, a sentiment. I chose a sentiment on that, and the flowers from one of the bonus items in the crate, and the best wishes is a layered die set. And I'm just picking and choosing some of the other things I have in my stash to go along with this beautiful background. And this is just a white card base. I adhered with flat double-sided tape that balloons background, and I decided to make this a wedding card. I love that it's happy. It's like a new beginning. Up and away. I believe that better press of the month is called Up and Away. And I thought, okay, let's make this a wedding card. And I had the best wishes sentiment there, and some flowers and a celebration sentiment to go along with it. So this was just a combined club item along with some of the things I already had. And I love the versatility of just mixing and matching what you already have. There you go. That's so pretty. I really love it. In person, it shines so much better. But I really like this card. It came together pretty easy. This is the second project. This is one of the bonuses, which is this Patriotic die set. It has a hat, a flag, and those flowers, and some fireworks stuff. And it's got this beautiful embossing folder that looks like fireworks in the background. Any kind of celebration would be good. New Year's. It has multiple uses. This is the clear stamp and die, and the pieces. I chose 2 more sentiments for this second card. The embossing folder, I ran it through an embossing machine. Well, actually my die cutting machine on the embossing settings. And then that leaves a beautiful impression. Again, I'm doing this on another darker cardstock this time, dark blue. I'm not sure the name, but everything is in my supply list that's linked. And so now I decided I wanted these fireworks, if you will, in the background to pop a little bit along with the texture. So I used a flat blending brush with white pigment ink. And I just lightly went over the textured areas, not the whole card, just mainly the raised areas from the embossing. Then I heat set that and die cut it using a lemonade stand die. I just love this little stand. I thought, well, maybe it's just going to be a background for this Patriotic card, something different. I really like it. So I used part of that die set for the background, and then I placed with a little bit of foam tape that Patriotic hat and all the decorations and 2 of the sentiments. And I decided to make this more of a thank you card for a service member, or just to thank somebody for a patriotic holiday. And this is the wedding card and the patriotic card. I just made 2 completely different cards with the same supplies while I had them out. I encourage you to do the same. And I would love to know what you think. Thanks so much for visiting. You guys have a wonderful day.